Find the equation to the straight line which go through the origin and trisect the portion of the straight line 3x plus y equals to 12 which is intercepted between the axis of coordinates. So we have drawn the line 3x plus y equals to 12. Now we have to identify the points which are dividing this line segment between the intercepts into three equal parts. We need to find out those points. Then we need the lines which are passing through those points and also through origin. So 3x plus y equals to 12. To find out the intercepts, take 1 time x equals to 0. You will have y intercept is 0 comma 12, and you take y equals to 0, you will get x equals to 4. So the x intercept is 4 comma 0. Now we need to find out the points C and D. Then our equations of straight lines are OC and OD, what we need to finally find out. Now if you remember the section formula dividing the line segment in 10th grade, then this is pretty much over because we know the coordinates of A and B. We just need to find out what are the coordinates of C and D. Once we know C and D coordinates, we know origin is 0 comma 0. So we can easily give the form equation of the lines OC and OD. First let's find out the coordinates of C and D. For that we will be using section formula. Now C divides AB in the ratio 1:2, whereas D divides AB in the ratio 2:1. First let's find out the coordinates of C. For that we will use section formula. Section formula is given by, first let's write down coordinates of A, B and what is the ratio. A is 4 comma 0, B is 0 comma 12 and the ratio is 1:2. C divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So let's apply the formula. We have x1, y1, x2, y2, m1, m2 values given to us. We can use the section formula which says that the coordinates of C are given by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us substitute the values here. For m1 as 1, m2 as 2, x1 4, y1 0, x2 0, y2 12. m1 into x2, 1 into 0 is 0, plus m2 into x1, 2 into 4 is 8. So 8 divided by m1 plus m2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Similarly, m1 into y2, 1 into 12 is 12, plus m2 into y1, that is 0. So 12 divided by 3, which is equals to 4. So the coordinates of C are 8 by 3 comma 4. Now let's find out the coordinates of D. D divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So let us take it as now 2:1 and apply the same formula. m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 by m1 plus m2. Then we will get x coordinate as 4 by 3 comma y coordinate as m1 into y2. So 2 12s are 24, 24 by 3 is 8. So coordinates of D are 4 by 3 comma 8. Now once we know coordinates of C and D, it's very easy because we know any line which is passing through origin, the equation of it will be y equals to mx. So we just need to calculate the slope for this. Slope is difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 0 divided by 8 by 3 minus 0. Because our x1 y1 is 0 0, x2 y2 is 8 by 3 comma 4. So when we simplify, we will get 12 by 8, which can be written as 3 by 2. So the equation of OC is y equals to 3 by 2 into x, or you can write it as 2y equals to 3x, or 3x minus 2y equals to 0. Similarly, we can find out the equation of OD. For that we need the slope of OD. OD slope is given by again difference of y coordinates by difference of x coordinates. So this time we have y2 is 8 and y1 is 0. 8 minus 0 divided by x2 is 4 by 3 and x1 is 0. 4 by 3 minus 0, that is 8 by 4 by 3, which simplifies to 24 by 4, that is 6. So the equation is y equals to 6x, or we can write down 6x minus y equals to 0. So the equation of the straight lines which are passing through origin and also passing through the points which are trisecting the portion of straight line 3x plus y equals to 12 intercepted between coordinate axis is, one is y equals to 3 by 2 into x and another one is y equals to 6x, or 2y equals to 3x and y equals to 6x.